Parliamo di sviluppo delle competenze blockchain, di blockchain skills, e lo facciamo con un progetto che ci sta molto a cuore, di cui siamo orgogliosi partner con Italia for Blockchain, che è CHAISE, per cui siamo collegati direttamente con Lione, con Parisa Ghodous. L'intervento sarà in inglese, per cui Parisa, welcome to the Blockchain Forum Italian. Can you hear us?
Yes, hello everybody. I'm sorry that I cannot speak in this beautiful language, Italian. Thank you so much also for the invitation, Chiara Ventura. It's really a great pleasure for me to present the CHAISE project.
It's an honor for us, Parisa.
Yes, please, if it's possible to display the slides. Yes, the first
La regia le slide? Okay.
Et voilà. Bye.
You're ready. The floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. So CHAISE is a sector skill alliance financed by the Erasmus Plus program. Our core mission is to develop a strategic approach on blockchain skills development for Europe, as well as to deliver future professional training solutions. So my name is Parisa Ghodous. I'm a professor at University of Lyon 1. And as you see, the website of CHAISE is displayed. And I would like also to say that all of the resources are open and public, and you can just go to the website and see also all of the deliverables of the project. So the project is, as I said, is a blueprint for sectoral cooperation on blockchain skill development. So why CHAISE? So next slide, please. So why CHAISE? CHAISE, we know that blockchain is at the core of the European strategy to advance digital transformation. So the European blockchain sector is well placed to acquire global leadership, but its competitiveness largely relies on the availability of a competent and versatile workforce. So the sector is challenged by talent shortage, global competitiveness pressure, and also limited connection between education and the market. So CHAISE has a 4-year project that is started in November 2020, and it will finish on 2024. We want first to deliver a European blockchain skills strategy. The gap is what we need actually on the Europe, and the European Commission is insisted that is count on this project in order to define this strategy for European blockchain. The other deliverable is the skills forecasting mechanism. We need the mechanism to anticipate the future skills on the blockchain. That's really necessary. And the third deliverable is that have an analysis, a state-of-the-art, state-of-the practice of all of the occupational requirements in order to find which skills mapping, which are the training courses that we need in order to this gap, to fill up this gap. So we want also to deliver a VET program that is in 11 languages. So that's an interesting also point. And as this project is an Erasmus Plus project, we will define also the mobility schemes for blockchain students and professionals. And the last and not the least, we need also to develop cooperative networks and also the national blockchain skills partnerships that we want absolutely that we want that it will be sustainable. And after this project, also we can work together. So next slide, please. So the CHAISE partnership, as you see, is a big project. We have 28 partners, 23 partners and 5 associates from 15 European countries. As you see, we have the sector representatives such as INATBA, Digital Europe, Digital SME, blockchain, and of course, Italia for blockchain, and the others. We have also the companies, famous companies such as Fujitsu, Intrasoft, IoTA, C4A, and Industrial. And we have also the universities that are partner of this project, such as our university, University of Lyon 1 in Lyon, University of Catalonia in Spain, University of Tartu in Estonia, University of Ljubljana in Slovenia, the DHBW in Germany. So we have a very good consortium also on education and trainers providers. And we have also the entities with regulatory functions, such as ECQA for the certification, and also the different labor markets that we have, such as DHBW, ESRI, and etc. So it's a big project with an important partnerships from 15 countries. So what are, next slide, please. So what are the project objectives of CHAISE? So the first one, as I said, is a cooperation. The cooperation means that we want to set up a collaborative method for monitoring the workplace and the skill needs. That's really important for Europe. The other important objective, as I said, is a sustainable blockchain cooperation network. We want to have an impact for the future skills development. So we want that this cooperative network works and it will be, as I said before, be sustainable. We want also to provide a mechanism for collaboration at national level. So each nation, from the partnership that they have, they will develop also the collaboration at their national level. And of course, we want also to survey and promote blockchain, all of the professional educational training to the practitioners. The other objective that is very important is the skills, intelligence, and training. What does it mean? Is the deliverable that actually you can see also on our website is all of the state of the art and the state of the practice that we have analyzes with skills, intelligence, and document skills mismatch in order to show what are the needs, requirements about job occupation and job skills, and what are the courses and the offering, education offering that exist, and how we can mismatch, how we can find the mapping between these two aspects. Design a modular MOOC program. So it's a MOOC program with educational resources. The originality of our educational program of this MOOC is that we will not consider only the technical aspects, the computer science aspect, but we want also consider the non-technical as a governance, the case studies, and regulations. And we also consider, of course, the transversal skills such as communication, etc. And we want also have established a sectoral qualification. And as a recognition and mobility, what's interesting is that we define all of the occupational requirements for blockchain workforce in Europe. We link the courses, the curriculum with European recognition tools. So we will use also the certifications, European certifications and qualifications. And what's also interesting is that we will have a platform in order to connect the job seekers and job offers. All of the companies that they create the job offers with the people who search the job offers and they want to find the job. So that's also ambitious, I said, objective, and we wish to arrive and attain at least an important number of companies and learners and also regulators and all of the partnerships that we have on the CHAISE. So next slide, please. So this slide, it just shows all of the deliverables. You know, for example, skill needs and mismatch analysis actually is on the website. We're working on the quantitative forecasting model. We try to using even machine learning techniques in order to anticipate and see what are the future skills that we need on CHAISE. And also we define also European blockchain skills strategy. And in the next year, we will have also our MOOC, the program that we have in 11 languages, as I said. And we define also the occupational profile. And just to say you that we will have a memorandum of cooperation in order to have all of the stakeholders for a European blockchain to cooperate with our network. So it is interesting also to use this memorandum of cooperation and be a partner of choice, associated partner of choice in order to benefits of the cooperative network that we develop. Next slide, please. So it's all like all of the European project. We have the different work packages. So I will not explain that. Or like all of the projects, we have the project management, dissemination, quality assurance, and of course, all of the work packages related to skills intelligence for the recognition and mobility and for the mainstreaming and sustaining and extending the sector cooperation on blockchain skills. Next slide, please. So as a timeline, just in order to show you that the blueprint results, they are made available to the public gradually over the course of the projects. The project is a 4 years duration. So as I said, the definitions of skill needs and mismatch is ready now. You can look to that. We are working on the forecasting model that the deliverable will be available soon. And we will, in parallel, also the project emerge as a key actor counterpart in impact for skills across all of the 14 industrial ecosystems and works together with other thematically relevant blueprints and also institutional initiatives to make a decisive contribution to the sector and advancing Europe's digital transformation. And the last one is the last slide, please. Is just to invite you to be a part of the blockchain skills strategy. We need your help in order to understand the current blockchain training and workforce development realities and be a part of this big cooperative network. And we will be happy to have you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Black, for also Sharaf and Tina for the invitation. Thank you.
Thank you, Parisa. Thank you. Thank you for your contribution.